Hi guys! This week we have a classic pocket knife by AKC Italy in reproduction after 10 years. The Speed Hunter. This is the automatic version of the famous Angel folding knife produced by Falcon Knives Italy. This EDC fires hard and is very well made. The handle is made of staghorn and has nickel-silver bolsters. It features a very sharp N690 steel blade with the AKC's tang stamp. With less than 4 inches when closed, it fits great in any pocket. So let us know what you think about the Speed Hunter and hit the like button if you like watching us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel not to miss any of our videos. Thanks for watching and stay safe and healthy.